Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. And of course, welcome to your daily update on Solana. We'll do a full update. We'll talk about everything you need to know. We got some more bearish momentum for Solana in the last 24 hours, which was, in the end, I mean, Solana still looks very bullish, right? I mean, we talked about this yesterday. Yesterday, it also looked very bullish. The main level to break is 117.5, and the most likely scenario is that we will break above that. And even with the bearish momentum that we got yesterday afternoon, we even talked about that yesterday, that was a possibility. So this is not weird, all right? Right now, what we're seeing is that Bitcoin is finding some more resistance. It's not as bullish anymore as it was, obviously, last week and at the start of this week. And at the same point of time, you could also see some recovery for the Bitcoin dominance, especially today, or at least it's finding support. So Solana is a bit weaker. It doesn't matter, all right? Yesterday, we already talked about this, that basically this entire level technically is filled with strong support. So that's between like 104, and then 110. That's filled with support. And I don't see any reason why all of a sudden Solana would not hold that area, all right? It's a possibility, therefore, that on the short term, we actually get some more bearish momentum, and that bearish momentum pushes us into that support level. That's 100% a possibility, but turning bearish here, I don't expect that, all right? If you look at everything around Solana, first of all, it's very correlated to Bitcoin. Bitcoin at this moment, even though it has found some resistance, is still quite bullish, all right? I wouldn't call this bearish. And then apart from that, Solana on its own, it's been quite bullish in momentum as well. I mean, the momentum, as you can see, and as expected, has dropped down a bit yesterday afternoon, but I would not say that this momentum is bearish. There still is a lot of momentum. So that combination, also combined with the fact that the fundamentals for Solana are also not that bad. They're quite great still. I'm not sure if it actually still is growing on in days like these, but in general, the fundamentals for Solana are very strong. So what I expect is that we will... No, I mean, it has peaked out a bit, the total value locked, but the transactions still increasing, so Solana is strong. All right, so at this moment, I would say if you look at Bitcoin, it's not the strongest. So a bit of bearish momentum is to be expected here, especially also after technically we broke down below this level at 112.5, bit of a psychological level, also supported by some technicals here. So some more bearish momentum is to be expected, but there's major support at 109.5, there's major support at 106.8, and there's major support right here at 104. I don't think we'll drop down to 104. I think we'll find support a bit higher, consolidate, and then the next moment that either Bitcoin gets very bullish or the Bitcoin dominance starts to decrease, so that gets bearish, so there's more room for altcoins to grow, I think we'll find support. I think we'll head up to 117.5 again. I think we'll find resistance initially, but then we'll break above that and rally back up to the previous top we made at Christmas, around 125. That's what I think is most likely right now. Now, this could all... The thing is that this... Solana is very correlated with Bitcoin, right? So this could all be delayed, or this could all be sped up by Bitcoin. If Bitcoin starts to be very bullish today, we might actually test 117.5 and break above that today. If Bitcoin becomes more bearish, I think this is the most bearish scenario, right? All right, so that will drop down all the way to the lowest support at 104, like this, then consolidate, and then break out when we get bullish again. So those are my thoughts. That's what you need to know for now, I think. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. There you can also find more about my premium and signal group. A lot of value in there, but that's up to you to check out if you want to. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.